If you are looking at your brand new Mediavine Journey dashboard and seeing an RPM of 50 cents or $1, do not panic. It is completely normal to look at those first day numbers and feel a sudden wave of regret, thinking you made a massive mistake by switching networks. But what you are seeing is not a reflection of your site's worth. It is just the mandatory ramp-up period taking place. On day one, your ad prices in the open marketplace effectively hit a total reset button. Even if you were making decent money on another ad network yesterday, programmatic advertisers do not know who you are yet under the Mediavine umbrella. Here you can see this site got approved by Mediavine Journey on May 5th after being with AdSense for a long time. And you can visibly see the ramp-up graph Mediavine is showing. On AdSense, I was getting $3 to $5 RPM for a 70% US traffic website. With Mediavine Journey, I expect it to climb to at least $15 RPM. Advertising algorithms rely heavily on historical data to decide how much to bid for your ad space. Because your site has zero history with Mediavine's specific bidding partners on your first morning, they treat your space with extreme caution and submit baseline bids until they can verify your traffic quality. How quickly you climb out of that initial single-digit dollar trench depends heavily on a few key factors behind the scenes. First, the age of your domain plays a major role, as older, well-established websites gain advertiser trust much faster than completely brand new domains. Second, your traffic volume dictates how fast the algorithms learn. If you have a healthy stream of daily visitors, you are feeding the system thousands of ad impressions to analyze, allowing the automated bidders to self-correct and raise their prices much faster. Another major factor is the technical broadcast delay of your ads.txt file. This file proves to the internet that your ad inventory is authentic, but it takes a few days for the scraping bots of hundreds of major global advertising networks to crawl your site, register the update, and clear their budgets to spend money on your pages. Finally, the time of year you launch dictates your speed. If you go live during the massive shopping rush of the fourth quarter, ad budgets are maxed out and your earnings will skyrocket quickly. If you launch in the dead of the first quarter, when brands are historically cutting back on spending, your ramp-up curve will feel much slower and steadier. The most confusing part for beginners is usually navigating where to actually look at your data, because Journey uses a dual dashboard system that catches a lot of people by surprise. When you first start out, every single part of your application pipeline lives strictly inside a website portal called publishers.grow.me. Because Journey relies entirely on Mediavine's Grow plugin to track your traffic metrics, authenticate user data, and capture emails. Your initial application and approval status live there. However, the second your site is officially approved and the ad codes are live, Mediavine will send a separate invitation to create an account at publishers.mediavine.com. This second link is your official premium publisher dashboard. While the Grow dashboard is fine for managing your email forms and other things, the official Mediavine dashboard is a professional business engine that shows you real-time revenue reporting, your standard RPM, and your monetized RPM. It features an advanced site health check system that gives you a clear visual breakdown of your viewability scores and content health, showing you exactly why you are earning what you are earning. For Journey sites, the Mediavine dashboard won't show page level data. For that, you'll need to check the Grow dashboard. There you can scroll down and see the exact blog posts driving the highest revenue, allowing you to replicate that structure on future articles. Once you are set up, your ultimate long-term earning potential will heavily depend on your audience demographics, your specific niche, and your content layout. Mediavine Journey is a highly automated, hands-off platform, meaning you do not have a dedicated support representative manually tweaking your layout. The platform optimizes itself automatically, which is why your content formatting matters so much. To maximize your money, You want to break your text down into short paragraphs of just 1 to 3 sentences, which creates natural safe gaps for the automated engine to insert ads without ruining the user experience. You also want to write in-depth content that keeps people reading longer, because longer time on site directly boosts your ad viewability scores, forcing advertisers to bid much higher for your traffic. If your readers live mostly in premium regions like the United States, United Kingdom, or Canada, and you write in high-intent spaces like finance, tech, software, recipes, or travel, your RPM can easily climb to $30, $50, or more dollars once fully optimized. If your traffic is mostly international, your baseline might settle into the mid-single digits to mid-teens. Do not judge your long-term income by the first 2 weeks. Watch your numbers step up slowly over 30 to 45 days. Bookmark that Mediavine dashboard and let the automated bidding system do its job.